In this video, I'm going to be explaining how I am auto-generating fully customized proposals for my prospects straight after I've had an initial discovery call with them. First and foremost, we're going to jump into HubSpot here. Now, anytime I take a qualifying call with a prospect, a deal is automatically created inside of HubSpot. I am also recording all of my calls with DemoDesk. DemoDesk is my favorite AI note taker. I've tried a bunch of them. It's got a great API so we can build fully custom workflows. It's got a great native integration with HubSpot. Anytime I record a meeting, the notes and transcription are automatically pulled through to the HubSpot deal record, and my HubSpot fields within that record are automatically populated. In this case, I have a deal record in my HubSpot. In this section we've added here called workflows, we're able to trigger certain workflows that we have created. In this case, I've just had a discovery call with this prospect, and now I want to create a proposal off the back of it. I'm going to click Generate Proposal. And this is now going to push data to this clay table here. This is going to run fully automatically for me. And what it's going to do is it's going to take the object ID, which is the deal record in HubSpot. It's going to find the deal. It's going to find the contact, the name, company name. And now it's basically going to go about generating all of the personalized outputs that I need to populate a proposal template. So the way this works is these enrichments here are all checking the activity log in the HubSpot deal record, and they're looking for the activity log that contains the DemoDesk recording notes. As you can see, we have the DemoDesk recording notes of one meeting here and a second meeting here. Based on these notes, it's then going to create outputs that I can use in my proposal that are tailored to our prospect. These outputs are created by this enrichment here and this enrichment here. We are using Claude to summarize pain points and the challenges that the prospect is experiencing, as well as some context and background around the use case. We're then also using Claude to come up with some fully custom trigger-based strategies that we would use for this specific company. And then finally, we are creating some calculations here based on the recommended sending volume, the expected results from a positive reply and meeting standpoint, and based on this prospect's average customer lifetime value, to create some ROI calculations that we are going to embed in our proposal. Once this has all been generated, we are going to use these outputs to populate a proposal template inside of StoryDoc. That's what's happening inside this enrichment here. We are connecting to the StoryDoc API and creating our customized proposal by duplicating and populating a proposal template. Once this is created, we've then set up a notification here just to notify us on Slack that the proposal is ready. We can check out the finished article by clicking on this link. This is the end product for our proposal. It's populated with the prospect's company name, the prospect's name themselves. We have an overview of the background and pain points that they're experiencing. We go down a little bit further. We have outlined some specific trigger-based strategies that are unique to their value proposition and their audience. As we come down here, we have outlined the scope and deliverables based off of those metrics and the price, what the likely return on investment might be for this customer. We've calculated a lower bound revenue and upper bound revenue on a monthly and quarterly basis. And that is based on the price and their average customer lifetime value and close rate, both of which we have pulled from the DemoDesk call notes. We then put it in a nice graphic display here where we have the lower bound revenue, upper bound revenue versus a 90-day investment. This is how, guys, we are able to create these fully customized proposals in a few seconds straight after we have held a discovery call with our prospects and ultimately streamline our sales process. We want to be spending as much of our time as possible speaking to prospects. That's the highest value activity of a salesperson, as opposed to doing any data entry-based tasks, creating proposals, updating the CRM. All of that stuff can now be automated to a very high degree of quality, and that's what we are striving for in this situation.